This channel went from 16,000 subscribers to 238,000 subs in less than a month using the exact videos I'm going to teach you in this video. And this Instagram page gathered 43,000 followers with only 19 videos in a singular month. If this doesn't make you believe that these videos are trending right now, I don't know what will. Let's take a look at one of these shorts.
What would you rather? Give a blind man vision or win $100,000?
These videos consist of a two-color background and a border in the middle, and two choices to choose from. Then the percentage of people that chose each one, with some sound effects and background music. We are not going to do all of this manually. We are going to generate a lot of them with one click, then add some changes, so make sure to follow until the end. The first step will involve generating the script. We need to create a table that lists the two choices and their percentages. Since we aim for maximum automation, we won't be doing this manually. To begin, navigate to ChatGPT and paste this prompt that you will find in the description. You'll receive a randomized table. Request ChatGPT to remove the question section, as it's not essential. Following this, it's crucial to differentiate your approach from others. I always emphasize the importance of not simply copying the same shorts, as many individuals are following similar paths. Try to identify a unique niche and incorporate this concept. In my case, I'll be focusing on football players, given their popularity, which will likely get me people fighting in the comments and boost the views of my video. The next step is to bulk create. If you don't know what that is, it's all right. I will explain everything step by step. First, go to canva.com and start your Canva Pro free trial, then create a new design. First, we have to split the screen into the blue and red parts. To do that, add a square and change its color to red. Then resize it to fit half of the screen. After doing that, click on Alt and drag it down to duplicate it, then change its color to blue. Next, add another square shape and change the color to black. Stretch it all the way to the right and left, then resize it to be in the middle of the screen. After that, add another square, change the shape to a circle, and place it in the middle. Then add the OR and resize it to fit in the circle. Now you need to animate it. Click on the shape, go to animation, and add the pulse animation. Reduce the intensity. Do the same for the circle and the text. Now we have to add the first choices. Add a text and copy the first option from the table we generated earlier in ChatGPT. For me, it was Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. After adding the text, apply effects to make them stand out. Add the shadow effect and change the color to black for both texts. Right-click on the text, select Show Timing, and stretch the video to 6.5 seconds. Reduce the text timing by 0.3 seconds for both. Go to Animation and add the pop effect for both texts, ensuring it's applied on enter and exit. After that, resize the text, leaving around 2.5 seconds at the end for the percentages. Next, add a new text and input the percentages you got from ChatGPT. Apply the same animation and effect as we did for the other texts. Reduce the timing to the last 2 seconds of the video. Now, after completing all those steps, we need to automate it to generate 55 shorts. To do that, go to the Apps section and search for Bulk Create. Then select Enter Data Manually. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the entire chart. Paste it as demonstrated in the video. It's important to ensure that everything is placed correctly, just as shown here. Then, click Done. Now, go to the text, right-click, and select Connect Data. Choose the relevant data sources. For instance, in my case, Lionel Messi corresponds to Soccer Player 1 and 55% corresponds to Player 1%. Your data sources might differ. Afterward, click on Continue, verify that everything is correctly selected, and then click Generate. You'll instantly receive the shorts. Let's watch some of them to see if they align with our expectations. Looks good. Now let's enhance the videos by adding a few elements. First, incorporate some images. Search on Canva for content related to your shorts and include 2 pictures. If you can't find them in Canva, you can import them from your PC. Resize them to fit perfectly. Right-click on each image, select Show Timing, and reduce it to 6.1 seconds for both pictures. Next, add some animations to increase viewer retention. Use any animation you prefer. Change the color of the higher percentage to green. You can also add sound effects. Include a ticking clock sound and adjust its timing to start when the text appears and end when the text ends. Additionally, import a ding sound effect from YouTube and add it to the timeline, aligning it to start when the percentages show. If you want to add more details, visit 11 Labs and generate some sound. Import it and place it on the timeline. Now, allocate a couple of hours and repeat these steps for all 55 shorts. After completing those steps, export the video by clicking on Share. Then, select Download. Ensure that you check the box that says Download in separate files so that you receive each short as an individual video, rather than all combined into a single 1-hour video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check my email list down below and subscribe to the channel.